Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set stop loss on TopStep X. Start by opening TopStep X on your computer. Wait for the platform to fully load in. Once you are inside the platform, go to the chart section. Open the chart where you want to place your trade. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find an option called Risk Settings. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Inside this menu, you will see a toggle option for enabling risk settings. Turn this toggle on so you can start configuring your values. After enabling it, you will notice two main fields. The first field is Take Profit, and the second field is Stop Loss. These are very important for managing your trades. In the Take Profit field, you can enter the amount you want to gain. In the Stop Loss field, you enter the amount you are willing to risk. For example, you can set Take Profit to $100 and Stop Loss to $50. This setup helps you limit your losses while aiming for a reasonable profit. Adjust these values based on your trading plan and comfort level. Once you have entered your desired numbers, click on the Update button. This will apply your settings. Your stop loss is now active and will help protect your trade automatically. Thanks for watching.